वसल्लम दो सवाल, अय्युल इस्लामी अफदल व अय्युल मुस्लिमीन खैर. What type of Islam is the best Islam? Because Islam is so vast, spread in the Quran, thousands of verses of Quran, hundreds and thousands of ahadith. कुरान तो हजारों आयतों पर मुश्तमिल, हदीसें लाखों हैं जो इस्लाम के बारे में बात करती हैं. तो सहाबा ने अर्ज की, या रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम, what is the best type of Islam so we can select that and we can be actually benefit. What type of Islam is the best Islam? And second question they said, ayyul muslimina khair. What type of Muslims are the best Muslims? So that we may do those things. So that we can become the best as well. Or we may know that this, if we adopt, we will become the best and good Muslim. And what is the best Islam? Well, Islamic teachings, the best teachings of Islam, the highest teachings of Islam, and what is the best behavior, or you may say quality of a Muslim. And Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, this is hadith narrated by Imam Bukhari and Imam Muslim, Prophet alayhi salam, because he had vision of all Islam was like on his palm of his hand. He could see what is the best, what is the just actually they are the second best, etc. is spread. But we can't make sense out of that with our knowledge. But Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam had all things in like this table in front of him. So you know this is corner, is this one. He answered with his wisdom and knowledge. He said, Man salimal muslimuna min lisanihi wa yadihi. One answer for both of these questions. Questions are two, answer is one. He said, the best teachings of Islam and the best Muslims are who? He said, from whose tongue and hands others, Muslims and other people are safe. That he does not speak ill or in any way which harms, tarnishes the honor, money, property, life, or anything of others. He does not use his power, hand mean his power, his wealth, his authority, his office, in any way it harms the life or property or actually honor of others. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, this is the best Islam, this is the best Muslim.